You guys, I want to introduce everyone to our third ModaMobster.
This is Dolores, my pimple. She's been around for about 3 days, going on 4, and
She's
I'm
been
not
around
a fan.
since high school.
I don't like her.
She goes dormant, and then she just appears every so often.
You guys, for some reason, I don't know what it is. Lately, I've just been breaking out so much, so I looked up like different sections on the face to see like what it is. Apparently, it's either my colon, my digestive system, my heart,
or your liver.
My liver, or hormones, whatever the case is.
So everything.
Everything. So I have this pimple, and she does not want to go away. So we're gonna do a really
And I get
awesome...
anxiety over Ani's pimple because
She's like, why didn't you pop it? Why? I'm like, freaking did pop it. Leave me alone.
Not so much that. It's just it's
She's
in
like
that
a
area.
pimple bully.
It's in that area where like your eye, it's like having big boobs, you know, like guys when they're looking at you, it just goes straight to the boobs. So like I'm looking at you, I just go straight to the pimple.
I get it. Oh my God, you guys, she's such a pimple bully. Anyway, today we're gonna be making a DIY acne gel that can help Dolores finally go away.
So Ani's actually gonna be using it. You have to use this gel 3 times a day until it goes away. So we're gonna test it out.
I'm gonna use it 5 times a day.
We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how long it takes for Dolores to go away. And Dolores is peaking right now, so she's like there. If you don't do anything to it, she's gonna stick around for like 2 weeks. So hopefully with this DIY, it'll go away sooner. Cause we don't like Dolores. She's a little bitch. Okay, let's get to it.
Some of the ingredients that you're gonna need for this DIY is a new friend.
I'm the one who found this damn thing for you, okay?
That was funny.
I found this DIY because Dolores is giving me anxiety.
Oh
I'm a good friend.
That was really funny.
I'm a good friend.
Okay, so some of the
Hater.
ingredients you're gonna need is aloe vera gel.
So what you need for this DIY is aloe vera gel, some lavender oil, and tea tree oil.
Alright, let's
And
do
a
it.
little less hater.
Okay, let's go back to being a team. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel.
Gel. Ani's Russian side came in. Some aloe vera gel.
Okay, that's 1. 2. 3. We're gonna do 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and I'm gonna do it because Nora tends to have a heavy hand.
The shade that she's been throwing for this video is like out of control, guys.
3. And then we're also gonna do 3 drops of tea tree oil.
And then we're just gonna dump tea tree oil on Ani's head.
Tea tree oil is really, really strong. It can burn your skin if you use too much of it, so make sure you're literally just using 3 tiny little drops. There we go. And tea tree oil is an antiseptic, so it's going to be really good for kind of like cleaning up that little Dolores of yours.
While we're mixing, I'm going to tell you guys why we're using
So strong.
Why we're using all of these ingredients. I wrote them down because it was long. So basically the aloe vera gel helps in wound healing and has an anti-inflammatory action. So the aloe vera, the wound, yeah, Dolores is a wound. Aloe vera gel is what's gonna help make this whole thing go away. It also contains salicylic acid that possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and kills acne-causing bacteria. So maybe Dolores, because of this, won't come back.
I doubt that.
Aloe vera helps moisturizing your skin as well. It keeps it hydrated. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and antiviral properties that kill bacteria and virus. It has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, as Ani mentioned, which protect the wounds from getting infected. It has unique disinfecting and soothing properties. And then the lavender oil is an antifungal, which basically inhibits the fungus from developing. Too late for that one.
Your face is a fungus.
It can be a great moisturizer for dry and chapped skin. Lavender tones and makes your skin firm as it boosts circulation.
So after you make this, you're gonna find an airtight container to put it into and put it on your pimple 3 times a day.
3 times. Make sure your face is washed. Like when you get out of the shower, when you're washing your face with hot water, that's when you put it on, or when you go home and you're going to use it twice for the remainder of today, make sure you're washing your face and then putting it on there.
Okay.
So keep the area
I'm going to try
clean.
this for a few days and see what happens.
Yeah, and then she'll do a follow-up video to show us the status of Dolores and if this thing I found for her, because I'm such a good friend, helps.
It's kind of burning a little bit. I like that. So if you want to win our giveaway, which is going to be these 3 really cute Katy Perry kitty cat lip glosses, you have to be subscribed to our channel. You have to like our video, and then you can leave a comment about what a bad friend Nora is in the comments below.
You guys see the shade she's throwing? Oh
I'm
my god.
I'm just kidding. I love you. It's just funny. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Love you. You say insulting things and then love you.
Go away, Dolores. Go away.